Good morning, guys. Back at it today. We did a few things yesterday on the 69. We built little brackets because these were missing completely. And instead of putting them in, the gentleman that put this together, not the owner, but the gentleman, as you can see, they just shoved everything full of, I guess, just caulking and garbage, and then they welded the fender to the radiator support. Not a very smart thing to do. Now when we had to take it off, it was a pain in the butt. We have all this done. Let me see if I can zoom out. There we go. All done. We took out the lines here because the same people destroyed this piece. So instead of having to replace it, we just took out the lines, both sides. But she's about ready. We got a few little spots like here and stuff, just to sand. So we'll have Joe do that today. And then we're going to start wrapping the motor in tinfoil so that it doesn't get full of gunk when we spray the car. Then we're going to finish the pipes. Whoops, can't see the pipe. There we go. Not a great bend, but it'll work. I think I'm just going to buy the bends and put together the... it's like 2 feet of pipe that goes from the new exhaust manifolds to the mufflers. I've been waiting on the guy to do it, and he's just always busy, so I guess I'm going to do it. We used that thing right there. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. There she is, both of them. My Mopar shop, LOL. See you later. All right, taking a break from the craziness of the shop.
Well-deserved break.
Yeah, it's been the last couple of days have been fun. Yeah, look at that puppy. Can't wait to get it running right. It'd be nice.